Using Uniswap with Binance allows you to seamlessly trade tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Here's how to use Uniswap with Binance. Set up MetaMask and connect to Binance. First, ensure you have a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile device. You can download MetaMask from metamask.io. Create or import your wallet and securely store your seed phrase or private key. Ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Ethereum network. Transfer tokens from Binance to MetaMask. Purchase or transfer tokens like ETH, USDT, or any Ethereum-compatible token from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. Copy your MetaMask wallet address and withdraw the tokens from Binance to this address. Connect MetaMask to Uniswap. Visit Uniswap in your web browser. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask from the list of supported wallets. Approve the connection, and your MetaMask wallet will be connected to Uniswap. Swap tokens. Navigate to the Swap section. Select the token you want to swap and the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount for the swap and review the transaction details, including gas fees. Confirm the swap in MetaMask to complete the transaction, providing liquidity. You can also add liquidity by depositing tokens into Uniswap pools. This allows you to earn fees and rewards for providing liquidity.